Ken coming at you from Ken.com. Rodan 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true phoenix. I'm going to rebuild my transmission, guys, before I go to the junkyard. I just believe I should give it a chance. I'm sure there's something in there that I'm messed up, that's small and tiny, that's keeping that car from going in reverse. So I think it's best for me to take a chance on a brand new transmission, practically, than to take a chance on a transmission from the junkyard and taking it out and putting it back in, taking it out and putting it back in. Well, anyway, I'm going to spend some change on this, and I'm, going to have to try to put it up on this bench, which is why I created this video. I'm showing you what I'm going to do, and I hope I don't hurt myself, but you're liable to do these kind of things. I want to move that torque converter. It's in the way. That's the first thing. Second, I could muscle this thing up, but I got a bad back, guys, and there's no need for me to hurt my back over this stupid car. So I'm going to use my brain to try to get this thing up and not to kill myself in the process or break a leg or something, or injure myself some kind of way. I'm up here rubbing my back right now. Anyway, so the plan is move that out of the way. I got this bench for $35. No, $25. And off of Offer Up, and I'm going to try to pull it over like this, and with hopes that that thing doesn't bend down as I'm pulling it up. Or I might leave it like this at an angle. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to already leave it at an angle, bent down on its knees, because you see I got it right now. I got one of the legs, two of the legs out, but it's still sturdy. See, it's sturdy like this still. And I'm going to try to jack it up some kind of way, jack it up high enough to slide it off whatever I got it jacked up onto that, and then once I get it on there, then lift this thing up from one side and then put the legs on. I wonder would you guys care to see me if I hurt myself doing this. I don't have enough video on here, but I do have a camera now, so maybe I could use my camera. I think I will. I'll be back.